We have the wheel out, all of the entries have been submitted, the giveaway is officially closed. It is now time to select 2 lucky winners to win these tattoo giveaway prizes. First place is going to be the Wormhole Thermal Tattoo Printer. Second place is going to be the OG Produce Ink Carver Tattoo Machine. What we are going to do is we're going to hit start 2 times. The first one is going to be the first place winner, second is going to be second place. How it works is very simple. I have all of the entries submitted right here. Giveaway is officially closed. I hit the button start, the wheel spins, it selects a winner at random. I'm going to press this 2 times and we're going to select the winners that way. First time I press it, it's going to be for the first place prize giveaway, which is going to be the Wormhole Thermal Tattoo Printer. Second time I press it, it's going to be for the second prize giveaway, which is going to be the OG Produce Ink Carver Tattoo Machine. Now that we have the rules laid out, let's select the 2 lucky winners here. First place prize of the Wormhole Thermal Tattoo Printer is gonna go to Willis531. Congratulations for winning the first place prize, Willis531. Your support, your submission is greatly appreciated, as everyone else's is as well. The second place prize winner for the OG Produce Ink Carver Tattoo Machine is going to be Axel Guitariste? I'm not sure. Guitarist? I know that I'm not saying that correctly, and forgive me for that. Axel Guitarist, I appreciate your entry, and you are the lucky winner for the Ink Carver Tattoo Machine prize giveaway number 2. For you to claim your prizes, it's very, very simple. Please drop an email down below. I will go ahead and email you and get the necessary information that I need to get from you so that way I can ship these to you. These are the lucky giveaway prize winners right here. I appreciate everyone who took the time to drop a comment and submit their entry. Your support doesn't go unnoticed and it is greatly appreciated. Please don't be mad for those who didn't win. I am going to be hosting more giveaways right around the corner, so be sure to stay subscribed, stick around, hit that notification bell so that way you can be updated with details as I release them. However, I assure you more giveaways will be coming here. For these 2 prize winners, yet again, to redeem your prizes, please drop your email down below and I will go to get the information I need to ship them to you. Everyone who participated, your support once again is truly and greatly appreciated. I do appreciate each and every one of you for participating in this giveaway. I appreciate you all for giving me your time. I appreciate it once more. I hope you have a great day. Are you wanting to develop your tattooing skill sets? Now you can practice and develop anytime, any place with an assortment of tattooing workbooks that I've created. With these assorted tattooing workbooks, we can practice our basic lining all the way to advanced lining. We can practice shading, shading placement, dot work, textures, and more. All we are gonna need is a tattoo workbook of mine. We can use a pencil, pen. We can even use a tattoo machine with a ballpoint cartridge to develop our tattooing abilities further. That means that we don't need tattoo ink, we don't need napkins or petroleum jelly to get to practicing. Simply open one of my tattooing workbooks and get going. It really is that easy. You can get your hands on one of my developmental tattooing assorted workbooks by simply clicking the links in my description or in the pinned comment section below, or navigating on over to Amazon.com, typing in Daniel Yuck, and you'll see all of the assorted tattoo workbooks that I've created come up. If you have an Amazon account, be sure to follow my Amazon author page as well, as I would greatly appreciate your support. Should you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's get right back into this video.